Hello everyone, welcome back to Ilyasoft, and in today's HTML course we are starting day 5, Images and Multimedia Basics. Images make website more attractive, professional and user friendly. That's why every web developer must know how to properly add and optimize images in HTML. Today we will cover 4 important topics: image tag, alt attribute, image optimization, figure and Figcaption. So let's start. The first topic is the image tag. In HTML, images are displayed using the img tag, that is the image tag. This tag allows us to show photos, logos, banners, product images and many other visual elements on a web page. So here is example. Img is the image tag, src specify the image file path, and width specify the image width, and height attributes specify the height of the image. So let's run in a browser. Why it is important? Without images, website look plain and less engaging. So the image tag help us create visually website the attractive user. Now let's learn about alt attributes. The alt attribute stand for alternative text. It provides a text description of an image. Why we need it? Sometimes the image file is missing, the image failed to load, and visually impaired user uses a screen reader. So in this situation, the alt text help users understand what the image represents. So an example, the image tag, and here is the src, the image file path and the width, height, and then the alt text. So if the image is not found, so then show the text HTML master course banner. If the images exist, then the image will be shown here. Search engine cannot see images like a human. They use alt text to understand image contents. So good alt text improve accessibility, user experience, SEO ranking, so write clear and meaningful description. Let's learn about image optimization. Many beginners upload large images directly to their website. This causes slow loading speed, poor user experience and lower SEO ranking. So what is image optimization? Image optimization means reducing image size while maintaining good quality. So here is an example. I have an image, one for JPG and the second one is for WebP. So here I am using the loading lazy and the WebP image, .webp and .jpg. So this is the unoptimized image and this setting is the optimized image in a browser. So here see, this is the unoptimized image and this is the optimized image. So if you want to optimize your images, so must use the WebP and AVIF format of the image. Don't use JPG and PNG format. So important techniques for image optimization. Resize the image means do not upload a 5000 pixel image if you only need 800 pixel. Compress the images. Use image compression tools to reduce file size. Use modern format. Recommended format is WebP and AVIF format. So these formats are similar and faster than JPG and PNG format. So lazy loading, this loads image only when needed. So must mark loading attributes inside an image tag. Loading is equal to lazy. So image optimization helps faster websites, better SEO, improve user experience and lower bandwidth uses. So always optimize images before uploading them to your website. Our final topic is figure and Figcaption. These HTML elements help us group an images together with its caption. So why use them? Sometimes we want to explain an image. Instead of adding random text below it, HTML provides a semantic solution. An example, figure create a container for media content and Figcaption add a caption for that content. So inside in a figure tag, we have a two HTML tag. One is the image, the second is the Figcaption. So image specify the image and Figcaption show the caption of the image below of the image. So let's run in a browser. So before the image and below the caption of the image. So some benefit of figure and Figcaption: improve the accessibility, improve HTML structure, make content easier to understand and help search engines understand context. Some commonly used of figure and Figcaption for blog images, product photos, tutorials, documentation and news articles. So in a day 5, today we learn how to display image using the image tag, how the alt attributes improve accessibility and SEO, how image optimization makes website faster, and how figure and Figcaption provide the meaningful image description. So these concepts are used and almost every modern website. So make sure you practice them before moving to the next lesson. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Ilyasoft, and share this course with your friends who want to learn web development from scratch. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Happy coding!